circuit, Barcelona, Catalunya. Getting ready for our test. Harley-Davidson, got a few guest riders, Simon Crafer, Marco Melandri, John Hopkins, Randy Mamola.
Star-studded freaking class crew.
Dude, so fun! Sick, huh? Oh, it's so good! Once I touch the knee, I feel like much better. The engine, it's amazing, yeah?
This last time I just went, okay, let's go for it.
Yeah.
So fifth, 1, 2, so easy to understand where the brake is and to grab more.
The rear is just fantastic.
Trying to get that super like feel out of it, but with the components it has.
Wow, you went so sideways out there. That was so sick.
Loving it, dude. Bagger fans, big time, man. Loving it.